Right now, I've already saw 400 roughly. I want to show you the blueprints to make money as a businessman in Kenya. Yo, it's time to say adios, man. We are dealing with the blueprints to make money here in the hood, man. Yes, feel welcome to today's vlog, man. Yeah, it's MtkPol pushing harder, huh? This is a Smoky trolling. Good morning. So today is on Wednesday. WCW to all them divas, man. Yeah, I'm late. Yeah, I'm here with this Smoky trolley. I show you the blueprints to make money as a businessman in Kenya. Yeah, this thing normally earns a lot of money, man. Yeah, just wait and see. Yeah, the full thing. I wanna show you. I'm going on the highway up the road. Check it out, moshi kama trolley msee wa Smoky. Po. Watoke nje wakule mayai ni moto moto. Delivery here. Hello. Huyo mwingine ndo alisema naitwa Tiffany. Ushatuma, umetuma ngapi? 80. Yeah, sababu poa.
25.
Yeah, 25 bob. Yes, as I said earlier, I want to show you how a Smoky business operates and runs. Here we are working with scale. Scale means 1, 2, 3 and up to any number of infinity. Here I'm working with 100 scale. That's 100 units. If I sell all the 100 units, profit, my net returns of the day will be there. Smoky guy, what he makes in a day. So continue hanging out with me. I will be updating you. I'm in the street, busy passing it. Yeah, it's steam. You normally steam, man. Yeah, pushing these trolleys. Yeah, it's a form of workout, I mean. Yeah, man, pushing harder. Mzito Rambo, baby. I've already sold like some 6 Smokies. Yeah, and I'm not yet at the site where it's a strategic place, so I'm going to the site now. Yeah, let me go. Man, unfortunately I was caught by the county council official for trading without food and hygiene certificate, so I had to remove the thing that I was wearing in the beginning of the video. I'm hiding this trolley here in the backyard of a garage. County council want their tax, so we should give Caesar what belongs to Caesar. Let me chill along. I'm gonna update you, man. The business today is tough. Yeah, I'm sorry I didn't explode into this trolley. Maybe some of you are like me. I used to wonder how I didn't know the chemistry behind it. That's it. They normally put a jiko in this business. This is the trickiest, splitting the jiko. Oh, so strenuous. At least now it's you know, selling call things to people and to their health. The first thing here at the site is to go for the umbrella. You set your umbrella, man. When you're here, you need to maintain a clean environment, man. Getting to the site, you need to maintain a clean, desirable environment. Yes. So I will begin by working and arranging the things for this place. I need to arrange the Smokies and the eggs. See the dislocation. Let me do this thing very fast, man. We're serving another diva here at Smoky. They love the dips, man. The dip. Everything now is controlled for eggs. Smoky, the packages, my book, kachumbari, tomato chili, and some salt. Yeah, we are here for business. I began with some 60 units for eggs, then for Smoky it was 40. So I'm here for 100 units. Yeah, 100 units. I want to show you how this business makes money. So right now I've already sold like 400, 4 or 500 roughly. Almost everything perfect. And in my bag I normally carry water. Yeah, this is water. Yeah. Then I normally carry a book. I read. I'm an avid reader. Yeah, learning is a continuous process. Yep. Then this is the light. Then my personal journal and a pen. Yep. So I'm here. This is a work session. So I'm here dealing with the Smokies. Sometimes later, let me flip this camera. You see the thing. I don't know if you see these stars. It's time to pump out this thing. Smoky guy. Yeah, you see the troll. Monies. I have some coins. Where money it is. Business is continuing fine. They are still here to collect for the days. So the stock is moving. Initially I had 60 eggs and 40 Smokies. So that's 100. In the next 2 to 3 hours, everything gonna be it will be dying. These are all money, Smoky money. This is money, all money. That's 1,000. So I'm waiting for another 1,000 to be 2K. See some of the challenges, man. Young retailer, wholesalers, business person normally get this challenge, man. You see, this is like the water is almost here, man. Yeah. So like for now, it's raining heavily. I have a big umbrella here. Funny, I brought this book here today, but I haven't opened it even. I haven't flipped even a single page, man. To do it now, since right now I'm not busy. No one is coming here because of the rains. It must cease maybe like after some hour, maybe 1 hour, some few minutes. So I need to read this book. It's called guess what? It's called The Way of the Gorilla, Achieving Success and Balance as an Entrepreneur in the 21st Century by Conrad Levinson. It's great, man. Yeah, it's a kind of unscripted book that will open your third eyes. Yeah, you'll connect with your chakra and doing great things. Yeah, that's it, man. Yeah, man, the market here is so dirty. It's raining blessings. I'm here with my Jiko, owning my balls, man. Yeah, so for anyone wishing to start a business, I urge you to venture into Smoky business. This is why you should venture. Man, assume you're dealing with, like me, 100 units. That's scale. Scale is something that you can multiply, man. Yeah, we can add scale every day. Next time, I'm gonna maybe try 200 units, 150. Yeah, it's upon the market factor to determine which quantity they want. So here I'm dealing with 100 units, and assume per unit you get a profit of 10 bob. So that means specifically you're gonna be making real 1,000 daily then you substitute with the other things like this one. This is tomato sauce and chili, then kachumbari. Those are like 200, so you remain with 800. This is clean money printing business. Yeah, this is the blueprint. I want to show you in another videos maybe how they prepare the smokies, the eggs, everything, man. So stick with me. We are still here. It's 6. I need to close the stock, and you see how much money I got today coming the balls. Yeah. It's already in the night, 7 p.m. These are mullahs. This is 15. This business is so legit. I've been here for around 10 hours. This is the reward, man. I came out of the house, it was 10 o'clock. Right now it's 8 p.m. I'm still here with this Smoky business, man. Whole and didn't land. I have 2K here. Yeah, my eggs. Smokies done. Smokies done. Eggs almost done. Yeah, man. So it's not across this business. My target of the day is here. I got 2K. The profit is the profit is 800. Clean 800, man. This business is a sure bet. Yeah, mullahs. Going home right now. It's almost 10. Yeah, this is a club. It's called members. Yeah, members for members. This is where the pokers sell the thing.